And Georgia, you that saw me with the 300 pounds, wasn't I always excited when you saw me? Wasn't I always smiling when you saw me?
You were happy with yourself.
You asked me, how you doing? Better than I was? Not just, yeah, you know what? And mainly, I was talking to myself. You guys were just a coincidence that I had to be talking to myself, because if I wasn't telling myself that, then I wouldn't have known that. So all this time, I'm dealing with carrying around 300 pounds. And I'm saying I'm better than I was and not as good as I'm going to be. And when I was by myself, I was saying I'm better than I was and I'm not as good as I'm going to be. When I was in the mirror and I was at home, I said, Victor, you the man. And I gave myself all this juice that I was talking about, right? And remember, we're talking about the inner game. And if you're not playing the inner game, you're losing the inner game. I told myself all these weird things about me to such a degree that a solution had to surface. And when you get the feel gist of what's in your mind, how powerful it is, that's what you're going to do. You're going to realize that as you think it, as you feel it, as you desire it, you make it come to pass. I don't care if you have to walk down the street and a big pile of money fall off the sky. You think it's strong enough, hot enough, long enough, it has to happen. It has to happen.